Hi friends, today we are solving the third problem that is on operator. Any language will have operators. So we'll have operators to add, subtract, and there are categories: arithmetic operators, logical operators, right? Other operators as well. So in this question or problem, basically we have to use operator to perform the to finish complete our task. Okay, so this is a task. So uh, basically I have taken screenshot from the hacker rank so that it will be clearly visible for you. So basically they have given three variables. Mm, we have to, that is a meal cost and tip cost and tax percentage. So basically based on the meal cost, we have to the tip and the tax has been given in percentage, 15% and 8%. So we have to convert this percentage to value so that we'll get the exact how much it cost. And finally, we have to sum these three variables to get the total cost. So they given a tip here, a tip of 15%. How to calculate how to get the value from the percentage, right? So they given here. So in function description, complete the complete the solve function in the editor below. So solve the following parameters. Basically we have the three parameters. The function is a parameterized one, and we have to calculate the total cost in this function, return the total cost. Okay, so here's like a input. We have three lines of input. First will be, the first is a meal cost, that is a double type, and second will be integer, and third also will be integer, right? So from this we have to and they give an explanation as well here. So whenever you got let's say tip is at 12%, and how to calculate the value, 12 by 100 into 20 is equal to 2.4. So this is a 12% of 20. Okay, like this we have to calculate the same way tax as well. Then total cost equal to meal cost plus tip plus tax, total equal to 15.36, and we have to round it so that it will be exact number instead of dots and all. So that is a problem. This is about a problem. So now let's go to code. Hi friends, so let's start with the code. So this is the code they have given already, and we have to finish we have to write the code inside this function. Okay, this function has three parameters, which is meal cost, tip, and tax percentage. And so this in main program, so basically they are reading yesterday in and converting into, reading the meal and tip and tax percentage and converting both percentage into integers and meal cost into float value. Okay, and once they calculate, they're calling the function which we are going to write now. Write it. Okay, so and they have other function to read lines. So okay, so let's focus on this function. Let me zoom in so that it will be visible clearly for you. Okay, hope this is fine. Okay, so first we have to calculate the tip, how much tip it is. So tip, I'll clear declare tip variable, and so this is a percentage, tip percentage, right? So tip percentage, it comes like a 15, right? So this we have to divide by 100, and you can put them into brackets so that it will be clear. We are multiplying 100. This is not 100. This actually meal cost. Okay, so we are getting one error. Let's see what is that. Inval operation mismatch typing 32 and float 64. Okay, so this is the int and this is a float value. That's why it is giving this issue. Okay, so either we have to convert this or this so that they will be both in one type. Let me make this as a float 32, float 64. So yeah, so this issue fix. Okay, so same way we'll calculate tax as well. I'll just change the tax name here, and this variable name is also tax. Okay, so we got both values now, and so let me declare total cost. Okay, so this one will be sum of meal cost plus tip plus tax. Okay, and we have to use math function to math.round so that it will be a clear number. So it is in undeclared name math. Okay, so I have to import the math as well. Okay, so now I think I don't have to return the value, just need to print. So println total cost. That's it. I don't have any errors. So let me run a code. Yes, it is successful, and let me submit the code. Yes, this is also successful.